The little motherfucker pranked Lenny and got him 10 years in jail.
What happened?
Like, 1 second it was sexy jutsu, and the next minute it was Chris Hansen from Dateline NBC. Quick question.
Sure.
If I told you there was a kid who, if you pissed him off, could turn into a demon fox kaiju and destroy everything, would you fuck with him? I heard Sasuke was talking crazy and got hit with the most vicious combo of all time. Have you ever gotten your back blown out from the front?
What?
That's what a fucking Rasengan feels like. Why was y'all bullying this nigga? I got kid! I'm whooping his ass, right? Light work. The motherfucker grew fangs and claws. What? Please, can somebody go play with this nigga on the swing set? It's life or death. I'm a 37-year-old man. Do you know how it feels to get your ass beat and then scolded by a little fucking boy? Like Naruto, we couldn't have talked it out before I had this big ass claw mark in my chest. 10 years old, talking about he understand my pain. Nigga, I got bills and shit. I had to go home and tell my wife I lost to a child. I'm a fucking loser.